Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can create AI art stories for kids and earn money. So first we will create AI art with help of this website. So this is a free website. We can create a realistic art like this for free, and then we will generate audio, and then we will join both this audio and photos to create a video, and then we will create auto captions on video, and then we will upload this video to YouTube or any other platform to earn money. So let's get started. First, come to this website bluebelow.ai and click on try now for free. So uh, this will ask you to sign in with your Discord account if you have Discord account, uh, or you have to create new Discord account and then you can log in. So I have created this account recently. Now after login you can come to this first icon, click on direct message, and then click on find or start a conversation. Here you need to write blue below. So here is our app. So click on this first app. Okay, then you need to scroll it down, and from here you can see rookies are written. Select any account, rookie 1, rookie 2, or any other account. Click on it, and here you can see people are generating AI arts. So now we will also generate AI art, or you can also select AI art from here if you like these arts. Like this one is looking good. So you can also scroll down to see if you can select any one of these, and then you can also write your own command here to generate AI art. Click on imagine cross, and from here you need to write prompt, uh, prompt or which type of image do you want to see. So we will write kid in beautiful jungle of mushrooms. So we will press enter. It will take some time. Then you need to click here in inbox tab, and then our art will get generated here in mention tab. So it's taking some time. So here is our art. So I think I can select this fourth one, so we can also see it from here. uh, mention. So okay, you need to click, you need to come here and click on jump. So then it will open our AI image here, and from here you can select which image do you want to see. Suppose we want to download this fourth image, we can select U4, and then you need to come here. Your image will be in HD version here. From here you can save these images. Save. So let's download other images too. So this one is third image. No, this one was fourth. So this one is third. Now we will save second image. So now let's save this one. So now uh, we can search uh, stories with the help of ChatGPT. So we will write kids story in 100 words. So you can generate big stories, but so let's copy this. So I am generating a small video just for. So then you can come to this website ttsmaker.com, and here you can paste your story, and on it you need to fill this captcha, and then you can click on convert to speech. So it will take some time, and then it will download voice file. Once upon a time, in a colorful meadow, a little rabbit named Coco hopped and played with her friends. So now our uh, audio is also generated. Now we will go to canva.com to join these both photos, AI art, and audio to generate video. So now you can come to videos tab, and then click on. You can choose if you want to create big video or small video, like real video, short video. So let's uh, start with small video, shorts or reels. So now we need to upload our audio file and our AI photos. So here are these AI photos, and here is our audio. So now we can select any photo. So duplicate page, then we need to paste this photo, replace background. So then we need to duplicate it again, then paste third photo. Now we can paste our audio file. So now you can see our video file is completed. We can play and check. In a colorful meadow, a little rabbit named Coco now we need to add little animation like this one, and let's add this one. So if you find difficulty in any of this step, you can comment below this video. Once upon a time, in a colorful meadow, a little rabbit named Coco hopped and played with her friends. So it was a rabbit story. I think we have copied. So now we will download this video, and then we have one more free tool named as CapCut. We will generate auto captions with that app. So it will take some time, let's wait. So you can see our video is downloaded. Now we can open this CapCut app. So but this app don't work everywhere, so you have to use VPN sometimes to make its all features work. Let's connect VPN. Tap to connect. Now we can open our app. CapCut. If you want to download this CapCut app, you can comment below this video. I will provide you link to this app, and you can also search it in Google. It will be in first place. But if you find any difficulty, you can comment below this video. So now click on import, and downloads, and then uh, this was our file untitled and mp4 video. Yes, this was. So now we will drag it to this timeline, and now we will press TI or text button, and then from here we will select auto captions and click on create. So it will generate auto captions by detecting our voice in video, and then we will change a little style, and then we will our video is ready to get published. So now uh, I think it was a text that I used, but now for we can use this one. Change it to 15, and then select this reset. So now we are ready to go. Animation, and select this 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 one. Type 1 is good. Increase its size. One sunny day. So now we can play to check our video. Once upon a time, in a colorful meadow, a little rabbit named Coco hopped and played with her friends. One sunny day, they discovered a mysterious golden key hidden under a tree. So our video is ready. They embarked on an adventure to find the. So that's how you can click on export, and then export again, and then our video will be ready to get published. So that's how you can create short videos or long videos and earn money from YouTube. So thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something. So if you have any other question, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.